I want to introduce you to the people who made Republika ng Pilipinas. So, I'm gonna start with our crew, our supervising producer, si Miss Nini Matila. Miss Nini, come to the stage. I'll move on po. Our executive producer, si Direk Roman Perez. Sorry, we won't have 10 minutes to do this. Si Miss Wilma Hollis. I think busy pa sila sa pag-dispense ng ticket sa labas. Our production manager, si JC Katigay. Yay! Kasama na ako sa stage. Our associate director, si Sigrid Polon. Miss Gian Gianan. Our colorist, si Nico Ebora. Our VFX team, si Zeke Bertumen, Jared San Diego, and Renz Ruiz. And Francisco as Barbie. Naka-English siya, guys. Palapakan niyo siya. Siya lang ang sumunod sa dress code. Si Janina Mendoza as Young Cora. Si Omar Flores as Mayor Dakila. Also not here is si Roy Calilong as Dado. Claudia Enriquez as Attorney Lisa. And we managed to bag a real-life Micronation leader. I'm not just sure if he's here. Si King Sanghaya of the independent state of Calayo. We also have Antonio Vasquez as Dreo. Cisa Bernardo as Josie. Brian Parzuelo as Nilo. Ian Gabriel in his fur as Ian Gabriel. Mitzi Camilla as Libay. Sean Mark Gomez as Tim. And Sigrid Polon again. Dalawang trabaho niya sa pelikulang to. She plays Lucy as well. Lian Silverio as Ronnie. Bon Lentejas as JR. JM Salvado as Ogie. Natalie Maligalig as Ekay. Also not here kasi may play siya, Pinkian sa CCP, panoorin nyo guys. Si Kaki Chodoro as Juliet. And we also have Alessandra De Rossi playing herself. Ayun na pala siya. May pag-grand entrance talaga siya. Hindi ko na And of course, the President of Republika ng Pilipinas, si President President Dito, Ms. Geraldine Williams. Thank you po.
To present the certificate to our filmmaker, we will call on stage Carlos Sigion Reyna, Competition and Monitoring Chairperson, Cinemalaya Foundation Incorporated. Laris Guillen, President, Cinemalaya Foundation Incorporated, and Antonio O. Cuanco, Chairman, Cinemalaya Foundation Incorporated.
Cultural Center of the Philippines and the Cinemalaya Foundation Incorporated present this certificate of recognition to Rene Dimla, Director of Republika ng Pilipinas, finalist full-length feature film category main competition, given this third day of October 2025 at the Red Carpet Cinemas, Shangri-La Plaza, Mandaluyong City.
presenters and film